Hey guys and welcome back to my channel. This is Fayad Osman back with a new video, and today I'm going to talk to you guys about Snapchat's new feature which they released very recently, which is the Snapchat Web, which everyone can use on their PC as well. Before starting today's video, make sure you hit that subscribe button and click the bell icon so whenever I upload a new video, you will be notified. So let's go and check it out. Very recently, Snapchat has come out with their new feature, Snapchat Desktop version, which is similar to WhatsApp Desktop. And for the people who have no idea about what Snapchat is, I have given the link of the video in my description where I have explained all about the app. So make sure you go and check it out and leave a comment below. I'm going to click on my Chrome browser. And here I'm going to type as Snapchat web desktop or whatever. Oh yes, here it is. And we go and click on Snapchat for web, Snapchat for your computer, the exact link here. Yes, and here they have asked you to log in to your account with your credentials. So I'm going to give my credentials here and log into my account. And so here they are giving you a message saying confirm in Snapchat. Open the Snapchat app on your device and confirm the details. So like they will give you some kind of a message from Snapchat. Oh, I will give you the correct user interface in the video here. It gets popped up here. They will ask you this: are you trying to access Snapchat from a browser? And destination, when, device, or whatever. And you just go ahead and click on the yes button. And okay, you will be confirmed. And automatically from the desktop, Snapchat will uh, guide you inside to your account. So you don't have to worry about anything since you have confirmed that it is you. And here they have given you that it's unable to use your webcam because I haven't yet on my camera or anything to take a selfie or pictures. I've just came into the app to show you all whether about everything you need to know about Snapchat desktop. And also this app, the desktop version is really different than what I expected, and I'm really new here. And we have settings here, we have a new message option here, and I have my avatar over here and different things. And this is everything is like they could have done more on this, worked out more on this update, and but still things are getting updated. So we have to wait for everything to get changed. And they have given us address bar and switch on to continue and several things. And here you can scroll down and get to see all your contacts and your news, snaps people sent you and your friends and all the things. And you can go back here and check on your theme, turn off sound effects and everything, and log out if you want. Yes, and so that is all for today, guys. It's a wrap on this video, and make sure you hit that subscribe button and click on the bell icon so you will get notified whenever I upload a new video. And if you have any questions or anything regarding to this video, please comment down below, and also make sure to check the previous video about Snapchat which I have made, and I have given it in the description. So please go and check it out, and Like, share, and share it with all your friends if you like my new video. Yes, and this is Fad Usman signing off. Stay crazy. Peace.